those headlights looks killer. This car has this request sensor which opens the door all by itself. Wow, the entry animations. And by the press of a brake, the door closes all by itself. Let's switch it on. The car is filled with crystals. There's beautiful crystals here all around the car, and even at this what do you call, on the dash. And these volume buttons, start, everything is crystals. Hello guys. Damn, this is the first time I'm driving this car. I mean, like, the theater in this car is, whoa, what the hell in the heaven. Damn, it's so fast. Which mode is it in? Damn, it's just in comfort mode. It runs quick. So the fit and finish of this car is amazing. The way it drives, I'm finding it very difficult to describe it to you guys. I mean, it's very different. I think it's because of the rear steel wheeling. On the bigger Range Rover, there was rear wheel steering. It was pretty evident, but still it didn't feel this weird in that car. In this, it is pretty weird, guys. I'm like finding it very difficult to tell you guys how weird it is. Like, I feel like I'm floating. Like, whenever I give it a serious right turn and left turn, it just feels like it is floating rather than driving. I mean, like, how to exactly put it? It is like levitating. That is the exact word. It is not going this way. It is going this way and this way. It's pretty weird. Feels very nice. So the steering wheel, it has got a nice leather to it. It has got a blue ring here, which indicates it's a electric one. So this is a serious 450 horsepower electric BMW 7 Series. So now that the lights are, I mean, like, it's pretty daytime, I should say. It's a daytime POV, so you can see all the material here. In the nights, I'll try to show you the lights and all, how the theater is in this car. You can see this speaker lights behind. So this is all aluminum. This is all crystal. It's got beautiful crystals everywhere. We have to make a shot wherein we count all the crystals in this car. So here's 1 2 3 4, I mean, this is 4 5 6 7 8 there, and anything else. Oh wow, this is all touch. Beautiful, guys. So this will be all city POV. I'll walk you through the features of this car. I think it'll take a complete video just to explain you all the features in this car. It has got tons of it. The regenerative braking is pretty evident on this car. It's like grabbing the brakes as soon as I release the accelerator. And it's pretty responsive for a 7 Series. See, this is a very bad patch of road. All our cars, we test the suspension here. In this car, we can hardly feel any undulations. We can hardly feel the road. It's very plush, I should say. Very, 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 very well made. The suspension is the selling point of this car, I feel. So as you all know, this car has got its own home theater in it. I mean, like, there's this big screen that comes out, and the back seat is killer. It's the best place to be in this car. I should have actually made the video from that seat, starting from that seat, but as this is a POV, we have to start it from this seat. So apart from that, this screen has become pretty common. Like we have spoke about this screen and what do you call X7 as well. So that is pretty much the same. There's nothing much to talk about it here. And the doors are something to talk about. Like as I told you when I was getting inside the car, that was something that is similar to our Rolls-Royce. That was exactly what we'd done in the Rolls-Royce review. Exact feel in the 7 Series. All the 4 doors, they're automatically open and close all by themselves. You can control it on the screen, and you can also control it through the... Oh boy, the brakes are grabbing like crazy. I mean, like, regenerative braking is too strong on this. I can feel it. I'll show you. Now I'm going about 36. I am leaving the accelerator now, and it's like decelerating like crazy. That's a Batman edition B6 cool car. So this car doesn't actually show its size. Feels, though it is a pretty long car, while driving it, it feels pretty small and very easy to drive. So this is what I'm saying. Like when I'm doing slow turnings, it is feeling pretty weird. I mean, it will take some getting used to, because the rear wheel steering on this is pretty different. I think unlike in the Range Rovers where you turn and the back wheel goes eventually to an angle, in this, as soon as you do this, irrespective of what the front wheel is doing, I think the rear wheel steering is getting locked to a certain angle as soon as you do certain amount of front wheel. I'll show you how it is exactly. It's very difficult to explain to you guys, but I'll show you how it is happening. And the seats are pretty strange. The seats are I think having this speaker system inside. Actually I should say it's a woofer system, wherein with the sound system bass, the seats react. I mean, they vibrate to the bass and the speakers. I've just tested it. It's brilliant. I just love the way the sound is. I mean, this is a Bose & Wilkins 36 speaker Bose & Wilkins sound system. It can't get any better than this, because there are speakers in the seats, on the doors, on the ceiling, everywhere, conveniently placed. I mean, like, it's here, right here. God, it sounds pretty well. I'll try to play something and make you all experience the sound. Wow, it's a button for see, as you see, all other cars we used to struggle trying to turn it here, but it is pretty easy in this car. Whoa, it pulls like crazy. I just want to understand where the modes are in this car. So this is a 2026 BMW i7. I should seriously thank my friend. He just got this car and he's given it to me for us for the review, for you all to experience it. Before getting into this car and before starting to drive, I should have got gotten used to it before like just jumping into the seat, because it is pretty confusing. I mean, like, there are a lot and lots of options in this car. There's a boost button here, which means we get a 30 seconds of pure boost. Fuck. And if you guys have realized, there is some background music being played. So that is basically Hans Zimmer's music. He has done the music for this car. I mean, like, when you put it in sport, it gets pretty evident. Wow, look at the lights. this car will be a dream in the night. I'll show you how it is in the night as well, but as soon as you put it in the sports mode, I think you can see how the theater in this car has changed. By theater I mean ambience, or how it basically is a movie in here. So in sports mode, I think this car pulls like crazy. Freaking hell, I think this is my far moment. Wow. And it has a BMW. There's nothing new about me telling a BMW drives well, and it's the same with the 7 Series as well. This car is so good that it feels like it is a 3 Series. It doesn't show its... Wow guys, pulls like crazy. I think that's the beauty of a, what do you call, electric car. The acceleration, initial acceleration on an electric car is killer. Damn, I just love this, the way it is pulling. So we'll see how it reacts when we put it in expressive. What's happening? Okay, in expressive mode, it is opening the sun blinds and it started massaging my seat. Oh boy, it started massaging my back. It feels very relaxive, and the throttle system is also a little on the relaxer side. It's not pulling me like crazily, and it has got a blue accent everywhere. Oh boy, this is such a relaxing place to be. Damn. What else shall we see? How else? I mean, like, how would relax be? Like, oh, in relax it is putting up all the blinds, and it started different type of massage. It automatically detected those guys crossing, and it braked on itself. Damn, in relax mode, it is playing some, I think, soothing sounds. Good. And it is doing a pelvic massage. Damn. Seriously, such a beautiful place to be in. Relaxed driving and a pleasant atmosphere. So it has given me some nice soothing colors and some nice music playing all around. Such a silent cabin. I mean, let's check how outside world is like. It's a double glazed DGU glass. As soon as you put up the glass, it's pretty calm in here. Apart from your seat ventilation, I'll turn that off. Yeah, apart from now, even that is not there. So it's a pretty silent cabin. Can you hear that relaxing sounds? I don't know if it is able to pick it up, but digital art. What the hell is this? Such a cool car, guys. Look at the colors and look at the start audio guide. Such a strange car. When I saw this crystals first time in the X7, I didn't like it much, but now it finally started to grow on me. I mean, like, it looks killer, to be frank. It is still doing a nice massage to me. I think irrespective of mods, the massage will be shut down only if I ask it to, maybe. Nice. So let us go back to sport mode. So I'll make you listen to the sports noises that this car makes. I should say Hans Zimmer makes. Feels brilliantly good. The noise that it is making is adding to the experience. I badly want to show you guys how the back seat feels. I'm just wondering if we can get some silent place somewhere so that I can show you how the back seat feels like. If only I had a driver who will be driving and I'll be giving this review from the back seat. But that is not the case today, guys, so bear with me. Damn, these people. I think those aunties have realized that I am doing a video and they're looking at the camera and laughing, giving us goofy smiles. So let me know down below what is the next car that you guys want me to review. i7 is something out of the box that I've got you guys. I think this is very different to all the cars we have driven recently. Everybody or most of the people were like, why you always SUVs. So this is the sedan that I've got you guys, and I'm sorry for saying SUVs are the best, but this sedan proves me wrong. This is brilliantly comfortable. I'm enjoying it thoroughly. And let me play something for you guys and make you experience how the sound is like in this car. I'm sorry guys, I got confused. That clearly stated that I can switch on my Android. So I'll show you how the
you ain't stopping me.
So like this you can control the audio. You can make it increase the volume, decrease the volume, next song. Damn, I don't want to get a copyright, so yeah, that's that. So that is some pretty serious acceleration there. Very happy with it. This is some nice detailing here. It has got 3D aluminum this thing,